Alright, so I wanted to explain something pretty simple, which is what I'm currently doing with my channel. Because if you look at the latest 8 videos or so, then you can see that each of them is basically one of a kind. And there is a reason for this, and that is I am currently experimenting with my channel somewhat, and I just got another idea which I do find quite good. So I'll try that idea too, uh, and if the video turns good, then well, maybe that'll be what my channel will be about. But something very important about this it is also that it is very, very different from everything else that I've done. Everything that I have done up until this point has been, in one way or another, about gaming. It may have been different games, but it was uh, it was all about gaming. So what I wanted to say is that the next thing that I want to do is actually not about gaming. Uh, I'm not going to tell you what it's about quite yet, but I do hope that I'll get the video out this week at least. So probably in the weekend, I think. That's probably when I'll release it and record it and everything. But I just wanted to do this quick video where I said this. This is Dog Rock signing off.